Subcategories now available as part of Clover's inventory menu management. Using subcategories brings significant practical advantages for retail businesses of all sizes. This hierarchical organization turns a flat list of thousands of items into a structured, manageable system. Subcategories let you group similar products logically, making it faster for staff to find, add, edit, or locate items during sales, stock counts, or receiving shipments. Clover allows quick drill down through category trees, reducing search time and errors at the register. Let's walk through creating subcategories in just a few easy steps. To begin, sign into your Clover dashboard via clover.com. Once signed in, click the Items tab followed by Categories below. Your Categories screen displays a number of headers across the top of your items list, including a Subcategories column. This column lets us see what subcategories exist under the parent category. First, let's create our category. Click the green Add Category button on the right. Enter the category name in the required field. Select your preferred category color and click Save below. Our parent category has now been created. To create a subcategory, click on the existing category. Here you'll find 3 tabs: your parent category, category details, and subcategories. In your Subcategories tab, click Add Subcategory on the right. Add your subcategory name. Online subcategory name if applicable. Select your desired subcategory color. Check the box to apply subcategory color to all items in this subcategory. Use the Items search field to quickly find and assign items to this newly created subcategory. Make your selections by checking the box and click Save below. Repeat this process to add any additional subcategories. On this screen, you may use the drop-down arrow to reveal items under this subcategory. Item details can be adjusted as needed.